said she
nobody.
suddenly didn't
Them and
even
them,
hear
the
about
last
the
time they
live.
dip on her live and she say, them no say a trouble, so she a big woman, she forgot sit down. She say, you can't tell me that because the other girl them over there a skin out and a go on like blood clot, we need the gangster and cheese and the whole of them with them a skin out and I not tell them to stop and a cuss. Me a big woman who trying to allow me and give me freedom, make me do what I want to do. Yeah, so she not say nobody, she say herself for money, she say money. Right now if a man a pay Sheba 100 US to skin out her
And them
pussy and
call
her
them
body
and them call
and
Sheba name to money. And money earned
yeah,
from Sheba so. They
yeah.
call Sheba name to money. Then mix up Sheba name and tell a bag of lie. Money are run from Sheba.
She love much licky bad. When me text and tell her I want a
Me,
son,
no
the
bad, no
me,
blood clot.
when me say
Around there
me
some
want the
woman live.
son, when me
Up on
say
the
me
highway
want
I
the
walk
son,
across. I know far she live. She live near.
right
Me
there,
not afraid
sir.
of people. I saw me stay man. Me
Afraid for
steady with
blood
them and
clot,
thing.
wa. You can't say girls not afraid of girl. I lick girl in the face. That's a marita cause you're gangsters no blood clot. Them girl they adopt the bat.
Right
Them girl, I
true.
me know if you see them girl, they tat up them in them face. Too bad. No chatting. Yeah. Blood clot,
That's
Gaza
true.
Nation girl, bad. Me now what the blood clot stinking Sheba. Yeah, none progressive, none blood clot ambition should have. None. Boy,
And
each
I'm
of a
not
blood
telling
clot
you,
man, you
maybe me
show
can
off
write
like you
one song here, you know. Me say no long, I have one tune. I wonder if she can run with it. I go
you know, see, none
Gary.
of song now go on for oh God, she's bad to bad. And
Nothing I
yeah,
go
give
and
her a
tell the truth.
song.
She if you come to me, nothing I go and tell the truth. Just the truth me talk.
You
And
got
me
love likes
say,
for true.
and the
Exactly, she
money,
love likes. Me
him
not
pay
tell her
her run
lie. You
down
know, see
money and I say them
everything.
calling him to money. Me not say nothing much. People,
She love
while you're
likes for
at it,
true.
and more the video you go viral, see it ya, Brooklyn, lunch.
Straight right
People
there,
see them
son.
ya, he fancy something themselves. Me not have the things them over yet over my house. You know, I just shop this video and there. And I
Right
want
there,
something like
son.
a nice tea. It's
Right there,
quality.
son.
Talk,
Nothing not go
talk
on
and
for her.
shop.
The music not go on. Selling a pussy not go on. Because she not sell a pussy. The music don't fear. The career 2020 is just not for you, blood clot Sheba. Go pack up, pack up. Pack up, come out, pack up, pack up, pack up, no man, pack up fast. Not put them in a box and a blood. Just put them in a cocker's bag. Go on, pack up and go on. 2020 is not for you. No pussy selling, no labels, no good clothes, no blood clot, good music. Everything just all us just tumble down by you. One of Jamaica go deal with a young boy where left at Jamaica. Your young son. He's a very careless mother. He's a tacky mother. You're talking about clots. You're too baga. You come on social media every day with beer issues. Beer issues, right? If I'm piece of tissue and flush like toilet, man. Go and go take care of your blood clot pitney and show your pitney them love. Show your pitney them love. Show need love. You need a mother's care. You need a mother's love. Yeah. Yeah, you're talking about clots. Yeah, you're talking bad. I need the whole heap in a blood clot. You put braces in your mouth, you buy, put on Wi-Fi bill. Me know everything will go on my house. And then Ivany tell me nothing. Me know everything because my man tell me. Me and him got
Everybody
talk
come
and me tell
like
me
me.
everything.
She pre-handed. Why me
She
love
give
you, you
them,
know?
all her friend
Everybody
them.
get
Once you
fucked
take care
like
of her friend
people.
cheese, she's giving you. She's not hard to you. She's not going to be hard
So,
to you. She take care of them. She spend on them and she spend on him too. Fear is fear. You forgive and to Caesar what you want to them. Although Neil own it up. Him own it up, you know. Neil own it up. Him own up the goods that she do for him and
but
everything. Him just
Neil love,
always a
listen,
session.
you
I just
never
got attitude.
understand
And
Neil.
he loves
You
her.
never understand Neil. You see me? You can't choose a woman over your mother, no dear. People, what may I say is
Exactly.
true.
Thank you very much. You
It's true. What I'm
understand.
saying is true. I understand you because there is no way you can go through so much things and then still turn around and deal with this person. That means you care about the person. But you just have to, you know, you have to please somebody
Exactly.
else, which
Right
is
now,
your
cold me
mother.
take more
So,
water one
man,
run out of my eye. Come and know me attack and I
as a big
fuckery.
woman, me
Me
not gonna
like
tell
you
you
because
no
you have a
lie. He's a man
reasonability.
socks. Me don't know if a
Exactly.
fucky.
You
He's not a
understand him, I
fucky
say.
fucky
It's not
person.
nothing
He's
say
not gonna
people
say
and I say
Ivany
him not
move
love
on.
her and he's not saying don't want her. It's the mother controlling his mind. It's the
And then
demon. I should
he's
always
an
make it clear
he's
say
a
any how him go
juvenile.
back
How
but
old
flat
is
to her.
Neil? He's a
Exactly.
juvenile same way, he's 17 years of age, isn't it?
No, Neil and 20 now I think or 21.
So why are you still under your mother's roof? I don't rate that. My nigga, you have got so much
Exactly
that
that
you
that
can
me
do.
set it up
Like,
on the live
if,
too. Say
listen,
needs to get a
listen,
job.
listen, no, listen. Listen, you're not a kid no more. I thought you were like 16, 17. That's what I thought. No, you're
Yeah.
20 years of age and you're underneath your mother's roof. you couldn't ramp in me, Ivany move on. At first, me just say, wait for him because he's young and him tree and mother, him under him mother roof and river. No, a big man that we can come out to your mother blood clot house. Come out to your mother house and go look something to do. You're not a
Is it like
child,
whether
you're
I'm
19.
19,
Them say,
whether I'm 19,
look, the
him
people
still
may
need to come
comment
out.
say him a
Him is not
19.
18, and I can't tell me nothing about Neil. Him is not 18. Neil was 18 when me and Neil at time. Neil is supposed to 20 now. If me not correct, at 21. Neil is 20. Him is no blood clot to 19. And we are
This
telling
is
about
the
Neil and
easy
me and
life
him
that
yesterday.
them want.
Girl, and me and him used to
If
don't
you
let me
want
straight.
easy life, Ivany, listen. You see, Ivany exposed Neil, like, she exposed, even though Sheba son, Ivany make enough people know Neil.
Exactly, I know the mama,
You
because
see
the mama
me?
is not
All right, then,
celebrity.
why don't you take that opportunity you got and use it? You say you have the music, keep on writing songs. Maybe one day, you will get a hit. You get me?
Exactly.
That's all about music, you know. Yeah, all right, look on
Yeah.
Gullibab. Watch this. Use Gullibab for a fucking example. Gullibab been a write music from him in 19s. And I when him old and a green bus.
Right there, sir.
You see what me I say? So what you have to do, you see him internet here where we depend every day. Observe. A good listener is a good learner. When you go on most people's video, you hear them talk. If you laugh about somewhere, say it's obvious somebody else will laugh too. So you can take that and put it in a song. Me wrong or me right?
You know,
All right, when
that's
you
a
put
real
them things
Ivany.
together now, and you go so boom now, and you come out with, in your tune, you have 10 at chat, you have to get a hit. Me not ask Christ.
Yeah.
You have to get a hit. So when you are going to tell me, say you're 19, 20 now, and each up in a mother house, right now you need to get yourself up, shake off yourself, you're still young. Go get yourself a job. Go get yourself a job. If you want to live so easy then, yeah, get yourself a fucking Wi-Fi box. May I tell you, get yourself a Wi-Fi box, get yourself some followers, start do some promotion. I'm telling y'all, you get paid to do these things. People pay you to do
But
these
you need
things.
to him mother need to come
You
out
get
time
me?
drama too.
So not
Your
tell me
mother
say
going
you
him like a
act up
girl.
right through. You're gonna tell me you have a couple followers. If you even have 5,000 followers, you don't name Neil Ivany bust your blood clot. You should have been do something with yourself. But come out of your mother house, Likkle boy, and move your worthless blood clot. You don't have nothing more to say.
Right there,
Ivany,
son.
move on, because nothing of that is for
Right
you.
there, son.
My friend, nothing of that is for
Everything
you.
you
I'm not
run to
even
your
gonna go
mother.
down the corner.
Now we should Ivany
You
can't
love
look
him
back
and
there, son.
everything. Move on, get somebody where worth it. He not worth this because this
Too
him not
pretty.
understand
Bestie too
himself.
pretty. Bestie is
Because
too
listen, you
sexy and
know, una
pretty.
been a go through this back and forth and viral and it don't even fucking look good for the media.
Right
You
there,
see
son.
me? And then Yanima go back and y'all gonna look like some puppy show, real talk.
Yeah.
You see me? And then again, him go always do things to disrespect you because him a please his mommy. And you have to understand that. That's his
Thank you.
mother.
Yeah.
So him go
So
always, as him a woman, just do the do man
thank
and
you. You're
love that
smart.
little boy. Because right now, that little boy, they don't even make sense in your life. You
Smart,
can do
smart.
it
Everything him
without
run to him
him.
mama too. Everything him run to him mother. She's growing him like a little girl.
So
You
no
know some man
mama's
would have defend
boy.
himself.
Listen,
Some man would have
Ivany,
defend himself. Everything she
as a
buy out
bigger
as a
girl
big
than
thinking
you,
woman.
as a older person than you, I'm gonna tell you this, like, that's a little child. It's up to you if you wanna steer. But me, I tell you straight, me not tell girl to left the man. Because he's a man sax, he's a whole yam feel. Me, have one man for long, a dimmy me, dammy me, babby me out. You see me, me just can't burn him. You see me? But nothing, me not see nothing there so, cause you got always have this cause the mother don't like you. You get me? You love him and everything. Hard in your heart, my friend. Just hard in your heart. Don't you not have to hate him, you know, because you're gonna know say no feel fall. You know within yourself say, yeah, the boy love you, but you know, it's your mother and thing. A circumstances, you see me?
Yeah. For
You
real.
got that mama. You're bigger than that, you're a star. Right now, some
Bigger
boy will
star
want
than
fuck
him
you,
and
you
the
won't even
woman.
like no. Some boy will want get in your panty, you won't even like no. And me
Yeah.
to tell you about it. And you
Yeah.
not give them not even a minute. And look how we are mad over. And around me again, Ivany.
You
You
work
saw me stay and
better. She
cheese
work
me.
more. She work better than that.
Everybody
For
knows say
real.
you
For
love the
real.
boy and everything in a real life. But nothing of that is a fear, my friend. Neil, if you are
Right.
watching this, you need to get your ass swallow your mother's rascal house. Then do the
House.
do. Be a
Come out
man.
of her
When you do
eggs.
that, that's the first move you have to do for say, yeah? You have to live your life, you don't care what mommy wants to say. Because when you're in your mother house, you can do any fucking thing.
Anything you want to
But
do.
once you're in your mother house, you have to always under your mother rule until the day you step your foot out of that and go be a man. You are not a man until you left this, my friend. He's a
Yeah.
boy. He's still a
Yeah.
boy. He's a juvenile same way. Real talk. No
It's
joke.
sad, man. It's sad the way she ever run him out
It's
and him
sad for
call
you
me and
because I have a good girl and
him
the way
tell me,
oh no because me and I did have a difference. I watch you, I got my
yeah.
raw soul page too. Me have a fake page too. Where as me yes I have on the live, me run go over there if me not busy and not do nothing, you see me. Me go watch. You see me? But in a
Yeah.
real life, man, you're bigger than that, woman. My sister is a go-getter too. But you just never did get it in the right way. Right now, you have
Yeah.
the real people them for guide you. Come here tell you, say, Lava, if you sit down and listen to Lava, if Lava sit you down and talk to you and you don't understand when him talk to you, you're not going to understand nobody. No
For
joke.
real. For real,
Him a go,
man.
me don't know how him talk to Una still, but him give me raw, and then him smooth, and then him give me good.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah.
But in a real
Yeah.
life,
I remember say him
woman,
start for me and
not
stuff,
gonna
you
do
know.
this
Him
so.
start for me and
You
stuff
and
in a
this woman I
tree
go always
and
back and
climb
forth
up.
because her son like your pokey. You see sex, him like everything about you. But I just say
Yeah.
mother. You see me? So you have to bounce, sister. Or Neil have to come out of the woman house good. I know if Neil really love you and want you, Neil, come out of the house. You see me? I know say mama I love you and everything. Because at the end of the day, mother only can blood clot vex in 9 days.
Yeah.
9 days and 9 nights and I eat blood clot that. Because her belly pain that regardless of what.
Yeah.
She go hurt and she go kill up herself and she go ball and she go vex and she go say, I can't believe say you do this to me. But if you really love Ivany and you want this work, come out of your mother house.
Come
You
out
go
from
live your
there,
life.
man.
You don't
Stop
me
being a
not tell
little
you say,
girl.
Papa me not tell you say for go live with Ivany either because that's another blood clot judgment. You need to go get yourself your own blood clot block. You get me? You
Yeah.
can start with a one room, my friend. Box up two board. Pan a nail and no say hit
Yeah.
that. Then you
True.
can build on your toilet. And you take it from there, say you're not a pitney. Say one room can go and work. And I me
Yeah.
not tell you nothing wrong. If you want to take it as a disrespect, come for me, me come for you. So
Right blood
I'm
clot this,
steady with the
bro.
matic. I would just
Yeah.
attacking nice. I mean, never know say so
Facts.
much things that are going in the neck of the woods
So I
there.
want it to go on, girl. Before I come off, I clear my mind and come off now. Sheba, the next
Yeah.
blood clot time you make a post about me so good, it naga blood clot pretty. Yeah,
Yeah.
it naga pretty. Your career done, your music career done. Go sit down, go retire, dirty blood clot, all woman, all mannequin. Yeah, hermaphrodite, all transgender like myself, yeah. Move your ugly blood clot and go and don't come in even out again. Yeah, and not my fault your pussy not sell, girl. Do not come in even your blood clot stinking nasty mouth again. Live pan click cocky shatter. And not my fault make your liposuction a feel in a dirty blood clot, girl. And not my fault make halitosis a run up in your blood clot pussy and a yam up your shrivel up clitoris. Do not come in even your mouth dirty blood clot, girl. Do not come in your mouth, ugly woman. Go on back, no crawl and go and continue sucking the cocky them and sell your pussy and try make a money and help your blood clot,
Hold
young
on,
blood clot.
Ashanti, remember what you going to say? Remember what you going to say? Do man say she don't suck it, she only taste it. One
I lie,
time.
yeah, tell her she suck body. And me talk to she and teach her over phone off suck body and tell her lift up the bars and lick the line and die too. And live that
Me
blood
hate
clot.
you.
And live. And I tell her, say, you have to know if suck body good. Yeah, who's not suck body? She lie in a blood clot. She by lie, you know? She by lie. She come on live one time. She said, no, I never Ivany Elmo do my braces. And then she come next time. I never me ask her for this. She's
No,
very
man.
lie. She's a liar, woman. She lie. I want to take pound of cement and lick her in her ugly blood clot face. The woman ugly, you
Jesus, the
see?
matter
She
go on.
ugly. She look like one of them blood clot where in the fish there. The big ugly blood clot fish them with the pointed mouth. Beating it in a girl. The man where you there blood clot Miami, we beg him to make you go and Dr. Miami, man, go fix up yourself, girl. You need a new blood clot makeover. You ugly, I want to shoot the wig off of your blood clot head. I want to shoot the blood clot plastic wig off of your head, ugly girl. You need to go blood clot retire, man. Come off of social media and make your son get some blood clot space. Him ears a ring hard, cause of you, the mama. Everything you buy out, make him be a man. He needs to be a man and stand up firm on him foot. You're
But
going him like
if
a
him,
little
listen,
girl.
Ashanti, as me I tell you, say him have to do it. Him have to do it. The woman can't do it for him. The woman has stand up for fair right car. If she not like Ivany, nobody can make she like her. You see me? Real talk.
But bad
Him
for
have to
bad,
push
if him
out.
the live and him
Him have to
attack,
take
I got
up
to yesterday
himself.
him go live
Listen, him have
cheese.
to take up himself and move out. Be a man, as way you
Yeah,
say.
that's true. That is true.
Oh, you're gonna be a man. A Croft can never be a man. Learn that. Even though you got a
Yeah.
balls, you're not man enough to blood clot own a balls.
Yeah.
You get
That
me?
is true.
Because you see your bills, them, your roof over your head, them they're your priority, my friend. Them there
Yeah.
is a must. So if you can't do that, what the fuck? The fuck in see on his voice? The fuck?
Right there, sir. She needs some blood clot dancing or a blood clot product for the pussy. Run go over
Jesus
dancing rubber
Christ.
page, blood clots, Sheba. And go blood clot, get some of the pussy tight now, it buzzy. It buzzy. Go get some of the pussy tight and the pussy toning cream, make your pussy clean and smooth and light complexion. Cause your pussy black, you know. Your pussy black like how you did look back then. And your body alone and your face have a nice look of light complexion. Your pussy black, remember me see it. Remember I saw your pussy. You don't have a light complexion pussy, your pussy black. Your skin complexion light and your face white and your skin complexion. Your pussy darker than your blood clot body. Right? So run go over blood clot, bossy man, run go over dancing rubber page. Go get some of the pussy tight now. Cause the man them not see the cause the pussy not tight. Get some of the toner to keep the complexion nice and get some of the pussy spray to cause you say your pussy have a little smell sometime. The down just right blood clot. So cheese big up the one and only blood clot cheese.
Likkle Kev, aka Dahlia Shanti, we have a shot the place. All the pussy them see.
All them same way.
She done it done.
Enough love, babe.
Blood clot. You go on in a Dahlia shit. People you know my friend them, me have all different type of blood clot friend. That's how it go. Some with me and some don't. Remember say my son can't hit them. True. Never just rub out some of them blood clot. Can't hit them. Can't hit them. I mean, have one property man friend before me even know say that it go on. So it's good. What one the blood clot like? Come like them charge up on my page. How it go? I only hope somebody that screen record this. So me not see my blood clot something come off. Yo Ratina. Yeah, Ratty girl. You know want me put them here, me put them up on this, you know. When I ask question, I want put out to no blood clot something. But Ivany they know where it go. Ivany come say send auntie she. Why me sorry for Neil though? You glad me only say I'm not living in a mother's room. I'm not in a mother's room. They may go follow the back. They go run through all the big page. I'm going to get followed too. Vanny me serve. You can't talk what? You say Emmanuel did them. Yet you say yet to do too much man over blood clot. Yes, the whole of the crowd over chat and laugh, you know. You don't know no. You don't know no. You don't know what one they call them, you know, people. My God. All of the call them just a decline, so.
Mr. Cheese, you're lucky you never come last and say, we do physical and shaving. Alive with it?
You rub them out.
Mr. Cheese, come let them know I'm a grind, I'm a dog. Come already now?
So I don't know that. Remember you are the rat and I'm the cheese. What you
So
talking about?
we did it, and when you look for blood clot.
Ivany. You call Vani. Everybody a friend, yeah girl. One talk. I'm a friend no. I'm a blood clot friend.
Ivany.
Yeah.
Why do you sometimes have to look at your custom people? Kaya Ivany after me can't bother with him no drama. I'm say Ivany.
She not come up yet. What you mean you can't bother the job and then getting shot for fire? Shot with fire, and me say shot with fire. If you trouble cheesy blast, and me say shot with fire. I got a Glock, me got a 9, and me say shot with fire.
Yeah.
Me steady with the matic. Me not run jacket. Hey, no way I do anything. Me a blood clot, Jerry.
She's for the blood clot.
How are this?
For community, what me live in a rich.
Who know?
And every day this. I'm blood clot, I have couple rifling up a pound, so all house up so.
Tell them my friend.
Oh, the boy run paragala.
Speed rapid.
Yeah, me tell you, blood clot. People clot, I'm going to
I don't got tired party this something. You want variety? Tomorrow the boss party though. Yeah. People make it a date and don't be late.
Ivany can't come.
And that me just going to say, Ivany need to come at the party and about feel like a pussy can't ramp with you. Rasta, they never know my place. That's why I'm going to tell her I know, say, Tamil is going to be in the building. This is no joke. Ivany, you got to be at this party. Make them see what time it is. A Spanish town there with vanish clown. Learn that little girl. Who this? Me had the people, let me know. There can only be one cheese. When you're under your NSC, you drink and you feel nice. With the blood clot to them. Pie, right you out of me.
She's a cleaner.
Once in a done there, see a clean out.
I reckon over me on.
Like, oh, we got dancing room party. Monday. Monday, go and carry. So by your car. So by your car, so dancing room, no worry blood clot. No come on party. I'm still a come doing and support. On the behalf of Chatham Law, you know, Cheese Blood is going to represent Lava, Vibes Cartel, Shorty, the Palmer's family. One go and it done. One other, one mother, one father. Big up my bumbo clot and placa. Big up tip, man. You know, I love it to my heart, like my brother. Not even have to say 40. Big up, Muff. Because you know you think tough. I done right this. All the blood clot here. Cartel, you know, we don't have to say nothing more.
I'm going to students at Cartel.
Soon you're going to see Cartel too, that me I tell you. And things saying to me, God bless, God give me more than anybody else.
No, but you know God like him in a chill.
What do you, brother?
You know which tune the man sing about? If never this.
No, this is serious.
If me never was, every artist would afraid of us. Before his family.
You want to give me his humble class. Go, the man hard.
Hang on, but the man. If it is bad money skin.
Bomba clad 20 oh! 20 oh! 20 material just dear me. Right there, so she. I soon come uncle. I come in uncle. Done it done. Murder. Big up Tony Materon. AKA Magic Boy. I love you long time, you know that. You know that, right? People, it's when I don't know it a jump off, so you know make the sense. Well, Vanity, when she come in, me just try for other. I don't know what I go on. So when time I add the people, them just a jump off. I don't know what I go on. I don't know if I wait name, if I skip to my low, or you know, let me try Ivany to see if she will come up. Me just try add 2 more somebody and then blood clot jump on. So watch out, come like a star moment. People sorry, no disrespect. Me not this somebody and
me can't take the bag of my love. Sit right there and
I want one.
Hold on, Ivany.
Yeah. I want one girl.
Man, I look cheese. Look.
Tell me what gonna look again.
Cheese, if I want to go, I have to go look for a pink one. I don't want them mixed
Let me
with
tell her.
So what do you have a pink wall? Take your phone.
waiting.
Ivany.
You never
Hi.
say about that.
No, one thing I like about you talk your
Yeah.
business. Nobody can cuss your mama. That
True.
I like about you. Big up
True.
yourself.
Go
Thank
party
you.
tomorrow, Evan. Tell her already.
You can come on party, friend.
Eh?
The man not afraid call pussy spread their all but bad man can fuck on and just stand up sturdy in a bad man life. You can come.
Yeah.
At the party when?
I know she. How we done?
When?
Tomorrow.
There in Ivany, family are there.
About
Babylon.
that's why I want she come because she and Tammy good like that so she can come. So Tammy I go there saying I'm nothing for her about. So you can link him up and ask him. What place, stay place, good like gold.
Yeah, alright, me I go ask
Nice.
him.
I think about short boss from Spanish town in a one other. Thick man.
Short
Him
boss?
tell you about this come down. Yeah.
Yeah.
Me I ask him. But they are going to watch live and I watch them people, yeah. You know, now
Tell
mix
me
me
what
up,
going over
man.
pink wall. What going over pink wall.
No,
You make
cheese.
sure to put in the money. Because you swear to God, the man the liberty, the man that will take with blood clot people. Take it out, man. What I'm over pink wall, Ivany?
Yeah, you have to go look over there.
So gone over
Go
there.
suck your mother
Boy,
queen.
make Sheena.
You can slap
Mate, me and you, she put up.
big pussy Queenie Jody. Where you gonna move? It's for everybody, man.
Queenie Jody, remember my place, this, you know. That, but this never stop working, you know.
You understand?
Queenie
Don't wanna
Jody
mix
just
me
come
about
and
that.
talk when nobody not like and see people are gonna deal with it. Don't know what to say blood clot no.
But tell me, woman wanna slap me. She never slapped me before, no, shall I do?
They must see here to me you talk and that means say I will for people are vex, you there? I will keep mix up shit.
Yo, me not know what King Mix Up get theme headlines them from, you know. King Mix Up just make up something.
What? King mix up seat here. You should have never do it though. Me say Ivan, me not like there's a lot of people out there will love it still, you know.
Sorry.
You have to tell the truth, yeah. Yeah, that's why I want you hold up your head and do this blood clot and shame the crowd, girl. More when the gate fly, you're there America, you're there England, you're there Canada, you're there bout to mash up the place in a real life. Me talk with my heart, Father God, you're serious.
For
I
true.
swear.
For
You
true.
deserve it, Ivan. You really talk.
Yeah,
But
the
one thing
fearless
more you do,
lifestyle.
more you stop do the little smart brain thing. You see fully top dollar, they rate you.
No, listen. You see that fully top dollar thing? Don't make him fool, you know, 'cause at the end of the day, him a cuss about this and a cuss about that, and up till today day I sit here, I don't receive money in my hand. So all you go cuss me about something I'm not receiving in my hand.
Yeah, but Ivan, listen now, you have to understand him
Darling,
send the
no.
money to you.
Why if you send it to
Listen
me?
now, you don't get the money, him say you don't get the money because everything end
Because
up
look
because
here,
him
yes, so
send the money to
if
you, it freeze
somebody,
him account.
yeah, right, the person freeze him account, him have the person Instagram, I give him the person name. Why you never go to the person and ask them why them freeze the account?
But
And up to the
Ivan,
day the
when
person,
he was
all right,
trying
why the
to
lady not get
call
back our money
you,
then? Why the lady not get back our money all now?
I don't know, you know,
I you
but
know, so
listen
up
now.
till today, day, me I do go on my page now. Me no remember what she name. Me I promote one cookout for her. Go on my page right now. The same lady there as she same one. Even send me money yesterday if you do a cookout. If you do a little ads for her, I'm gonna post it on my page not
Yeah.
too long a while ago. The same lady. So why the lady don't get her money then? Since your account frozen and you get it back now, why the woman still not get her money? Because the woman don't get her money. Why? And you say, and then he must say, me I try to scam him. Oh, me if you try to scam you, when are you get the money for
No,
do for
listen
you?
now, Ivan, listen why you listen to me because we can talk. Yeah? Him say when everything start up with the account and problem, he was trying to contact you.
No, me I
And
tell you
then
what
you're
I try
dealing.
do. No, him want me tell you what him want do. Him want say, alright then. Since the money sent already and it depend all, remember when money come off for all, it's go automatically then account same way, right? So what him a try
Yeah.
say, me forgive the woman the promotion same way so that
Until
she
him
can
account.
unfreeze. No, until she can unfreeze, you know, because she can call the bank and tell them whatever
Yeah.
she tell them for unfreeze it. Me not gonna do no promotion for no woman when I give me money. What if me did do that now and she still not unfreeze the account and make it stay same way and him still not send me the money? And what if everything done she want back her money? So at the end of the day, me I gonna lose a promote she knowing that she can call bank and dad, knowing that she and fully tap dollar can go have a conversation if it's send back her money or him keep the money. No, me not stupid. Me can't do a work without getting paid. You crazy. Just like how me
Understand.
get one work now
Sometimes,
and the money
Ivany, you know,
yes.
say some, you know, let me tell you how me look on life. These things that we're doing, I understand you gotta pay your Wi-Fi bill and
And
all.
then you know the next
And
thing, cheese. You see more that
listen
sweet
to
to
me,
me, but
want to
never did
talk
I
to you.
want day.
Want
You
to
might
talk to you. Listen to
disrespect
mama.
me.
Why? No, listen to Ivany, because you know what me tell you, oh, him, where he might tell me to, because there's always three sides to a story. Your
Yeah.
side, his side, and the truth. You get
Yeah.
me? Listen, him say he might try to contact you. And when he might try to contact you, in the process of him account lock down and everything, you not answer, you block him now. He getting bizarre, he lose it. He start talk all different type of things because him tell me now, just like how you tell me, I see him, he tell me.
Mm-hmm.
You see me? So
Mm-hmm.
after all of this, how it go, now like all they did need to do is just settle it calmly before it escalates.
No, I'm gonna make you understand it now, cause I just say I told to a story and me just I give a piece, but it look like me I forgot to tell you how it really start now if you understand. Anyways, me get her work, right? The girl only have a Zell. Zell she did have. You know Zell work with numbers, people number. Understand? Because some books now me I try look somebody with Zell. A whole for people me get but me never trust them. You know me the giant fully top dollar competition and him give me money. Him did pay me one time for one ads kind did do one next competition. So me I say, alright, them I trust him now. You understand? Him never lay with money, so me I go use him, so I ask him. Him say, alright. But so books now. Give him the woman see him number, the woman send him the number and right? Him send me now, it was Kenny Western Union, him send it to that day the Kenny did there me yard. You see me kind did actually live on me yard. When him send the money to need information now, the money was there, but Western Union did lock, so I could pick up the money the day. So I have to wait till the next day. In the morning now, before me go make me pick up the money, you know, so you can check your something up on the app to see if the money did it pick up before you waste your time go down there, right?
Yeah, that's the Western Union app.
The app, yeah. So I go so boops, I'm check if it did the same way. I get up from about 6 o'clock and check it. It was there. Anyways, without wait for Western Union for open early in the morning, you know. But the day I'm drop asleep now. I only have my phone and ring. I mean, my phone and ring now. I answer the phone. So when I answer it, I be a bumper clot in my ears. Hey, bumper clot, yeah. Hey, pussy cat, yeah. What has happened to my account? What happened? So me I say, you know, say deal with things. Him now make me talk. Him just mad. Him ignorant and him a customer.
Yeah,
Hang
but
him
all
up.
right, Ivan, I understand. Remember what you're going to say. Please just listen to me. If you in a position like that and something like this happen and you know, say you hear this person name call upon certain things, what you would have pre just put yourself in a film
If
shoe.
me
Me
did
not
hear
take up
say
film.
people I wouldn't send her Mizel in the first place. Pre that. Hear what you say now. If you
Yeah,
hear
but for
say
sure, you
that
say him did
girl, yeah.
rate you. Him tell me say him rate you. Him did love you and
Alright,
rate
but
you as a little
listen.
sister as you.
You
Not
not
even
listen.
fucking argument and them thing them not put to you the way him
You
did
have to
rate
listen to
you.
what me as a fit and cause so like it upon him side, but me I talk how it go. So listen now, cheese. Me did I'm here. Imagine you are do something with somebody and me call you cheese. And as me calling in the morning, hey bumble clock girl, big pussy. No, you know the thing, so you call you say good morning, cheese. How I really are going, you know some there. And me I try to go in on my account and me I see this freeze and what try get to the sender. Send me the sender number, make me know what I'm going because me not understand this. That's how you go by things. You not go by things that call me big pussy girl. Hey girl, bumble clot, I am so mad. I swear me that
Listen
one
to me,
for the phone.
Ivany.
So
Why
me
you
hang
listen
up
to me,
my phone.
Ivany?
No cheese, me I got just talk
Ivany,
what me
listen.
attack. No, me attack it straight.
Yeah,
As me
but
talk,
me not take up fee, but listen up. Me as a person, just like me and you have a similar liquor ways, you see me? But listen, me that get vexed, I would have diss him too,
cheese,
but
you
then
would
would
have
have
get vexed,
also
but it's how
listen
you
up.
get
You're
vexed.
not me different, you know. Me not know still everybody different. Cause see there, would have get vexed and diss up in blood tower. Huh? two and then deal with him because we are doing business.
It takes two to make an argument. Nobody now go come text my phone and tell me big pussy girl what happened to me. Me I go hang up in your ears, not care who you're big, and I just saw me stay. And that's why cheese a lot of people is not going to like me. So who me is because if you text my phone and say Vani, you know some account black, I mean know what go and do this, do that. Mother say, alright then, I know me not get for talking. Me I try calm down the man now calm down the man. I say, the man I say, big pussy girl. My account, so I hang up my phone. And I call back again. I decline it. I'm send him a message. I'm say, listen, if you ever talk to me like that, me not go deal with you. Cause you talk.
You never go cut off. You never go cut off, Ivany.
Go on and
me go back live.
Come back.
Yeah, me go back live. This I cut off.